Today I'm taking a look at the mini VMount lithium-ion battery. So there's the battery. Got kind of a texture on here. It's a very interesting look. It's like a square triangle look to it. It is actually a race, so it's not just a sticker. It is a 99 watt hour, which is important because that means you're going to be able to travel with this. You're not going to get hassled by the TSA. Although you may not get hassled for it, 99 watt hours is the maximum that you're supposed to carry with you on an airplane. This actually has a display on it. Now, unfortunately, this one started with 0%, so I'm going to have to charge this guy up before I actually start using it. We do have on top a USB-C port and a USB-A port. On the right side, we got a Dtap, and we got another one on the left side. On the back, this does have a VMount, and we got our connector there on the bottom. Okay, so we are now fully charged to 100%. Clicks in no problem, and I'm going to plug my transmitter into that. So we got power to our transmitter. There we go. Now we are transmitting from the camera to our display. So with that, I'm going to be able to take this camera, pick it up, move it around. I'm not going to have to worry about there being any kind of an HDMI cable or anything like that. I have full wireless transmission using this battery as my power supply. And with a 99 watt hour, that should last me quite a long time. I should be able to record for a couple of days with this thing. So plenty of power, clips in no problem. I'm curious if I turn this on. Yes, that light does light up. So we do have power coming out of here as well as power coming out of the USB. And also I just like the nice small size. So overall, that is an excellent battery.